In this Redbubble tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload designs and create products. So if you would like to create your own products on Redbubble and you would like to design your own t-shirts or your own products in general, then this is going to be a great video for you because I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. And let's just get started right now. I don't want to waste your time here. So what you want to do is sign in on your Redbubble account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Then click on your account right there. You can see that this is my account. Click on sell your art right there. And you can then click on create products over here. Now, once you click on that button, you have two options. So one of the options that we have right now is to upload new work. The other option is to copy an existing work. So if you already have products on here and you would like to copy that, you can go with copy an existing work. For now, I'm going to upload new work. So what you do is you simply click over here and you can then choose to add your design. So choose the design that you would like to add. So I'm going to go with this design over here. If I open this, it's going to upload. So this might take a while depending on the size of your file. So this seems to be a simple file. So here we go. Now next up, we can add a title. Now a title is required. So you can use 4 to 8 words to describe your work. So use a descriptive title that explains your work. This makes it easier for people to find your design based on their searches. So in case you don't know, Redbubble is a search-based platform. So if I just go to, let's see, the homepage, you can see that people search for designs and products. So let's say people search for a crown design. What people do is they search for crown, and you can then let your design show up on here by putting crown in the title here. So it's really important that you use relevant titles. So this is SEO, so you want to make sure to do that the correct way. So in this case, you might want to do like antique crown whatever, right? So just type in a title that fits your product. Next up, you can add tags. Now this is the same based on title, but you also want to put in tags that are relevant. So we'll go with crown. Let's see. Yeah, right, crown. Then we'll go with antique. And then you can just add a lot of different tags that are relevant to your product. So whatever it is that you're trying to sell, that you want to design, add relevant tags on there. Now next up, I'm going to add a description. Once again, you want to enter a relevant description that's relevant to your product so that people will be able to find it in the search pages, right? So make sure you do all of that. For now, I'm just going to enter a short description, crown design, because I'm not actually going to sell this specific design over here. You can also add this in multiple languages. So we've got English, German, French, and then Spanish as well. So just add both of these, like all of these if you want to. That will be better for the search results if people are in Spain or France or Germany, for example. Now next up, you can scroll down, and this is where we can add designs and customize them as well. So if I scroll down, we'll go over the product reviews. So these are all available products on this website, and you can already see your design show up on all specific products. Now you can see that on some of these it doesn't look good, and on some of these it does look good. But in this video, I'm also going to show you how you can customize it, right? So for example, this standard t-shirt right there, that seems fine, but this one doesn't look that great. The design is kind of small on here. So first of all, what you can do in order to add products is click on this button over here to enable it. If you enable it, that means that you're going to add it and that you can start selling it. So you can do that individually for each and every product on here. So if you disable or enable all of these, it will show up or it won't show up on your store. So you can see that that's how you can enable products. Now I'm not going to click all of these. You get that point by now. Now what you can do in order to edit them is simply click edit on the specific product, and what you can do is start editing it. So let me just click edit. Is it showing up? Yes, it is. If you then scroll down, you'll see it over here. So first of all, we've got our design right here, right? This is our design, and this is where we can place it. So you can then play around with the placement. So if we just put it in the middle, we can do it like that. Now let's say that you're not like happy with the size on the product, You can slide this bar and make it bigger or smaller depending on what you want. You can also center it vertically or horizontally by using this button. So this is pretty cool. If you wanted to show up exactly in the center, but you put it right there and you're not sure if that's the center, you can click on this button and it will center it right away. Now what you can also do is add different colors. So you can you can add different colors on here. So you pretty much have every single color on here, like orange, like grayish, black, blue, gray, red, right? So just choose a color that you want to use. Now next up, what you can do is you can even replace the image if you're not happy with it. So what you would do is you would click right there and you would then upload a new design. For example, if you want to add this over there, you then click open and it will show up, and as you can see right there, upload complete. It will then show up right here. Once again, enable it and then you're good to go. You can play around with the sizes of the product as well. Now you can see that the designs I'm choosing are very like small images, so it's not looking great on here, but you can play around with that if you have a bigger file size, which you should definitely pay attention to. But what you can also do is choose the different designs for each and every single style. So we've got tank tops, fitted t-shirts, v-necks, long sleeves, all of these. So if you click on them, you can add specific styles, designs for each and every single product. So as you can see right there, we can then do that for hoodies, for example, and that's pretty much how this works. If you then click apply changes, it should work, and there we go. Now you can do that for every single product you see on this website. So we've got large print clothing, sleeveless tops, we've got graphic t-shirts, we've got all of these products, right? Now what you can do is simply enable them like I said, by clicking right there, and it will then show up. Now you'll also see how many are available. So for this specific product, we've got 2 products available and both of them are enabled. This one has 2, these only have 1. So we'll just confirm that by clicking right there, and you can see that there's no option to choose a different design, right? Now for these ones, you also have different styles that you can choose. So we've got this like symbol thing, then we've got this one, and we've got this one, and we've got none. So maybe you want to go with this one, it looks pretty decent. You then select that and you can then use it by clicking on apply changes. And that's pretty much how you can edit all products on this website. And now that we're good to go, what you need to do is scroll down. Let's see, scroll down. And then right there, you can save your work. You can also do some other settings on here. So is this mature content? That depends on what you're trying to sell. So you want to make sure to tick this box that you have the actual rights to sell the products containing all of the work. So we'll just go with no for now. And then it's going to create your product. And let's see, 98 processing complete. That's great. Let's wait. So what it's going to do right now, it's pretty much going to like process your work. And then once this is done loading, you should have your own products that will show up right here. And there we go. So this is our magnet product. This is our hoodie product. This actually looks pretty cool. So you can then also view all of your products by clicking right here on view, or you can edit them by clicking on edit. But this is pretty much what all of our designs look like. They're not loading. Let's see. There we go. So you can preview all of them, and you can also view your store right here. And that's pretty much how you can set this up, guys. So you can see that just by using this simple tutorial, you can build your own store. You can set up all of these products and you can create all designs. So we've got a lot of these crown products that I set up, and then also these products that include hoodies and v-necks and all of these shirts. Now this looks pretty cool to me. You can also preview it right there. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this, guys. So if this simple Redbubble tutorial helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on this video. I'm not selling you guys any courses or any like stuff like that, so a like would help me out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.